Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck or feeling like your money disappears before the end of the month? If so, this video is for you. Today, I'll share the 7 essential rules of frugality every beginner must know to take control of their finances and start saving more. These are practical, realistic, and easy to follow rules that can help anyone, no matter your income or financial situation. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that might surprise you. Why frugality is life-changing. When I first started my frugal living journey, I thought it was all about deprivation, cutting out everything fun and only focusing on the bare necessities. But I quickly learned that frugality isn't about going without. It's about making smarter choices that align with your goals and values. In this video, I'll share the 7 rules of frugality that help me build better financial habits, save more money, and create a life of greater freedom and control. These rules are perfect for beginners and will help you create a foundation for a more intentional and financially secure future. Rule number 1. Value over price. One of the biggest misconceptions about frugality is that it's all about buying the cheapest option. But true frugality isn't about spending less, it's about spending better. How it works? Before making any purchase, ask yourself, does this item add real value to my life? Will it last long enough to justify the cost? For example, buying a cheap pair of shoes that wears out quickly might cost you more in the long run than investing in a high-quality pair that lasts for years. Frugality is about thinking long-term and choosing quality over quantity. Rule number 2. Learn the power of no. Saying no is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for saving money. Whether it's turning down an unnecessary shopping trip, skipping a trendy subscription, or passing on an impulse purchase, learning to say no helps you prioritize what truly matters. How to practice it? When faced with a spending decision, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I just tempted in the moment? Practice saying no to social pressures or sales pitches that don't align with your financial goals. Rule number 3. Make a budget that reflects your goals. A budget isn't just a tool for tracking spending, it's a roadmap for achieving your financial goals. The key is to create a budget that reflects your priorities, whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or simply building an emergency fund. Steps to start: list your income and fixed expenses. Set aside a portion for savings and essential costs like groceries. Allocate the rest toward flexible spending, ensuring it aligns with your goals. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about giving yourself permission to spend on what truly matters. Rule number 4. Make the most of what you already have. One of the most overlooked rules of frugality is learning to maximize the value of what you already own. Whether it's fixing something instead of replacing it or finding new uses for items you rarely use, this mindset can save you hundreds of dollars over time. Examples: repurpose items, turn old jars into storage containers or worn-out clothes into cleaning rags. Take inventory before shopping. Check your pantry, closet, or tool shed before buying something new. This rule encourages creativity and helps you appreciate the value of your current possessions. Rule number 5. Plan ahead to avoid impulse spending. Impulse purchases are one of the biggest threats to your budget. The good news? A little planning can prevent them entirely. How to plan ahead? Write a shopping list before you head to the store and stick to it. Set a 24-hour rule for online purchases. Wait a day before buying to ensure you really need it. Plan meals and events in advance to avoid last-minute, costly decisions. This rule not only saves money but also reduces stress by helping you stay organized. Rule number 6. Track small wins to stay motivated. Frugal living is a long-term journey, and it's easy to lose motivation if you don't celebrate progress along the way. Tracking your small wins, whether it's saving $50 on groceries or paying off a small debt, helps you stay focused and motivated. Tips for tracking wins: keep a savings journal where you log every bit of money you save. Celebrate milestones, like reaching your first $500 in savings or avoiding a splurge for an entire month. Acknowledging your progress helps you build momentum and stick to your frugal habits. Rule number 7. Always have a financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, and one unexpected expense can derail even the best budget. That's why having an emergency fund is one of the most important rules of frugality. How to build one. Start small. Set aside $5 or $10 a week into a separate savings account. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. Having a safety net not only protects you from financial stress but also gives you the confidence to handle life's uncertainties without relying on debt. Bonus tip: practice gratitude. Frugality isn't just about saving money, it's about appreciating what you already have. Practicing gratitude helps you focus on the value of your life, relationships, and experiences, rather than constantly chasing material things. How to practice? Take a moment each day to reflect on one thing you're grateful for. Shift your mindset from "I can't afford this" to "I already have what I need." Gratitude makes frugality feel like a choice, not a sacrifice. Conclusion: frugality is about empowerment. Frugality isn't about depriving yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make smarter, more intentional choices that align with your goals. These 7 rules are designed to help beginners build a strong foundation for financial success. Which rule resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their frugal living journey. Here's to living smarter, saving more, and building a life that truly aligns with your values. See you in the next video.